Nityanandam. With all auspicious blessings and grace of my Guru, Paramahamsa, Sri Nityananda Swamiji, I welcome you all to this video. I would like to complete for my long absence over the last few days on this YouTube channel. We had many preparations going on for this wonderful program which we are hosting in Bangalore Adinam called the Sadashivoham. I am sure I have referred to this program in my videos earlier, and most of you would have already heard about this program through our various channels and Swamiji Satsangs. We've been intensely preparing for it, and it's been like one great carnival. Let me say a spiritual carnival. We have so many things happening, be it the alchemy products or the third eye opening or the Kundalini Shakti. It's just been an explosive journey for us from our side, our preparation side, and from the response we've been getting from various participants and devotees. If any of you have missed enrolling for Sadashivoham, I think you should consider and register, as for the very first time this program registration has been extended for the 7 days. The program has actually started on December 1st, but this time Swamiji has gracefully agreed to let devotees participate and enroll up to the 7th day of the program, which never has Swamiji done so far. It is going to be one of the most unique gifts you can give to yourself and to your dear ones. The program is not just as simple as life transformation or solutions for lifestyle. It's not that. It's a completely new lifestyle. You will come across a completely new civilization, in fact. Swamiji always wanted to recreate a civilization of enlightened beings. Like how India used to have only enlightened beings living in its land thousands and thousands of years ago. That is what Swamiji wants to recreate for us, and Sadashivoham is just one step towards that. It experientially gives you the taste and the luxurious sense of living enlightened lifestyle. And once you relish the taste of enlightened lifestyle, you will see how you can create an enlightened civilization, and how one person's peace, one person's willpower, one person's decision can change not only people around you, but the whole society and the whole civilization. If any of you have missed so far, I really recommend that you should register for the program and attend the program, and not only experience the taste of an enlightened lifestyle, but also the living incarnation, Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda Swamiji. It is very rare that a living incarnation is so accessible to humanity, and I really feel bad if any person missed it. There are many gurus, many masters who are very easily accessible to people and who teach various things. But the experience that only Swamiji can give, so far I have seen, should not be missed by anybody. Like I shared in my various videos before, I have also read about other masters, other living incarnations, and there are living incarnations on this planet Earth, but they are not accessible to every human being. And Swamiji is accessible to us. Having Swamiji so accessible to humanity, any kind of suffering human beings carry is a rather foolish. It will be a slip between the lip and the cup. So I really request you all to reconsider and register for Sadashivoham, which would be one of the most unique gifts you would have given for yourself. Don't miss this opportunity. If you happen to see this video after December 7th, 2016, don't worry. There are many more opportunities in the forthcoming year, that is 2017, to experience your inner awakening. We'll be hosting most of them in Bangalore Adinam, and I do hope you all enroll to the further inner awakening programs. We will be putting the link for the Sadashivoham program and the futuristic inner awakening programs right below this description box. I hope to see you all here one day or the other. Nityanandam.